In the wild, survival is an art form, a game of shadows, colors, and deception. Across the planet, creatures have evolved to vanish before our eyes, blending into their surroundings with such mastery that they become invisible. From the depths of the ocean to the peaks of mountains, these animals are nature's greatest illusionists. Welcome to the mastery of camouflage: 10 animals that disappear. A journey into the unseen wonders of the natural world. Subscribe for more incredible nature discoveries. Camouflage isn't just about hiding. It's about survival. It's a superpower honed over millions of years, allowing animals to evade predators, ambush prey, or simply disappear into the chaos of their world. In this video, we're counting down 10 of the most extraordinary masters of disguise. From creatures that mimic leaves to predators that become one with the shadows, each one will leave you questioning what's real and what's an illusion. Stick around, because these animals don't just blend in, they rewrite the rules of nature itself. The mastery of camouflage: 10 animals that disappear. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the leaf-tailed gecko, a reptilian phantom from the rainforests of Madagascar. This creature doesn't just blend in, it becomes the forest itself. With a body that mimics tree bark or a curled leaf, and a tail that looks like it's been chewed by insects, the leaf-tailed gecko is a living disguise. Measuring up to 12 inches long, this gecko uses its flattened body and fringed edges to break up its outline, making it nearly invisible to predators like birds and snakes. Here's the viral twist. Some species can change color slightly to match their surroundings, and their huge, unblinking eyes have a hypnotic pattern that distracts attackers. It's camouflage with a touch of sorcery. At number 9, we dive into the ocean to meet the stonefish, the venomous master of disguise. Found in the coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific, this fish doesn't swim away from danger. It becomes the danger. Its body is covered in warts, algae-like growths, and a texture that makes it look like a piece of coral or a rock. Up to 20 inches long, the stonefish uses its camouflage to lie in wait, ambushing fish and crustaceans that swim too close. But here's the kicker. It's one of the deadliest creatures on Earth, with dorsal spines that deliver a neurotoxic venom capable of killing a human in hours. Step on this rock, and you'll regret it. It's nature's ultimate booby trap. Coming in at number 8 is the Arctic fox, a shapeshifter of the frozen north. Found in the Arctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia, this small predator, about 2 feet long, has a coat that changes with the seasons. In winter, its thick white fur makes it a ghost against the snow, while in summer it turns brown or gray to match the tundra. This dual camouflage strategy helps it hunt lemmings and evade predators like wolves. Fun fact: the Arctic fox's fur is so dense, up to 70% of its body weight, that it can survive temperatures as low as -70 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not just invisible, it's invincible. At number 7, we have the stick insect, a living piece of the forest. Found in forests and grasslands worldwide, these insects take camouflage to the extreme, with bodies that look exactly like twigs or branches. Some species even have markings that mimic lichen or scars on wood. Ranging from 1 to 12 inches long, stick insects use a behavior called catalepsy. They freeze and sway like a twig in the wind, fooling birds and lizards. Here's a viral gem: some stick insects can release a foul-smelling chemical to deter predators, adding a layer of defense to their disguise. It's camouflage with a twist of trickery. Diving back into the ocean at number 6, we meet the cuttlefish, the chameleon of the sea. Found in oceans worldwide, this cephalopod is a master of dynamic camouflage. With a body up to 20 inches long, it can change color, pattern, and even texture in seconds thanks to millions of pigment cells called chromatophores. Whether it's blending into sand, coral, or open water, the cuttlefish uses its camouflage to hunt prey and avoid predators like sharks. Here's the mind-blower. Cuttlefish can mimic the hypnotic patterns of their surroundings, creating a living kaleidoscope that mesmerizes prey. It's not just camouflage, it's performance art. At number 5, we stalk into the jungle to find the jaguar, a predator that vanishes in plain sight. Found in the rainforests and grasslands of Central and South America, this big cat, up to 6 feet long and 250 pounds, uses its rosette-patterned coat to blend into the dappled light of the forest. The jaguar's camouflage lets it stalk prey like deer and peccaries with deadly precision. Its bite force of 1,500 psi, the strongest of any big cat, means that once it strikes, there's no escape. Fun fact: jaguars often hunt near water using their camouflage to ambush caimans and fish. It's a ghost with fangs. Dropping to number 4, we shrink down to the pygmy seahorse, a tiny titan of disguise. Found in the coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, this miniature marvel, less than an inch long, blends perfectly with the sea fans and gorgonians it calls home. With a body covered in tubercles that mimic coral polyps, the pygmy seahorse is nearly invisible to predators like fish and crabs. Here's the viral hook. It spends its entire life on a single sea fan, adapting its color and texture to match its host perfectly. It's not just camouflage, it's a lifelong commitment. At number 3, we have the octopus, the ultimate shapeshifter of the sea. Found in oceans worldwide, this cephalopod can grow up to 16 feet across and uses its unparalleled camouflage to disappear into any environment. Like the cuttlefish, the octopus uses chromatophores to change color, but it takes it further, altering its texture to mimic rocks, sand, or even seaweed. It can also squeeze into impossibly tight spaces, making it a master of evasion. Viral fact: octopuses are so intelligent they've been observed using tools like coconut shells to enhance their camouflage. It's a genius in disguise. Climbing to number 2 is the wolf spider, a terrestrial hunter that vanishes into the earth. Found worldwide, these spiders, ranging from half an inch to 2 inches long, use their mottled brown and gray bodies to blend into soil, leaves, and rocks. With 8 keen eyes and a lightning-fast pounce, the wolf spider uses its camouflage to ambush prey like beetles and ants. Here's the shocker. Some species carry their young on their backs, and the spiderlings mimic their mother's camouflage, creating a living cloak of invisibility. It's a family affair of deception. And at number 1, the undisputed champion of camouflage, the chameleon. Found in rainforests, deserts, and savannas, primarily in Africa and Madagascar, this reptile, ranging from 1 to 27 inches long, is a living masterpiece of disguise. Using specialized cells called iridophores, The chameleon can shift its skin color to match its surroundings, signal mood, or regulate temperature. Its independently moving eyes give it 360-degree vision, making it a predator and prey spotter extraordinaire. Viral nugget. Some chameleons can change color in as little as 20 seconds, a feat unmatched in the animal kingdom. It's the ultimate master of disappearing acts. And there you have it. The mastery of camouflage, 10 animals that disappear. These incredible creatures remind us that nature is full of surprises, where the line between the seen and unseen blurs into wonder. Which animal's camouflage amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more breathtaking journeys into the wild. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.